time we got to this building, it was a very wow moment for us.
You just can't imagine that working in a factory is like this, right? It's just like staying in the jungle.
Do you ever come here during a rainstorm? It really feels like a forest because you hear all the rain on the leaves and the trees. It is something absolutely amazing.
This is our second home, where we work every day in, day out as a family in this green and conducive environment. On behalf of all Paramit employees, I can safely say that we all genuinely enjoy working in this building.
Realized how significant the factory in the forest is in this moment, this period, when the world faces the real threats of climate change and the loss of natural habitat.
Many have come to realization that sustainability practice does not need to be costly in the long term. In fact, it helps in improving efficiency.
Key objectives, certainly for me, was what can we leave behind, what can we contribute to this place, to Penang, to Malaysia? What can we do besides simply being here and manufacturing products? As Nizar was saying, it's not just a pretty collection of pictures, because that wouldn't serve the purpose. The idea is to spread the word of how you can design for climate, to actually give information and data, to talk about the vision that leads to this point, but also to act as a reference for science and for the technology that's utilized in this building. So it's more than just pretty pictures. We hope that it's going to inspire people to build beautiful things in this area.